What is up, Knuckleheads? I am Wingus, and welcome to a segment I like to call Pure Mischief. But before that, boom, 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 special announcement. I am now... Wait. Actually, just skip this part. A poolee for the United States Marine Corps. I finally made it. My ship date is March 1st, and that's when the others will end up taking over the channel. Anyway, I know that you didn't come here to see me marvel at my achievement. I just thought I'd let you know, because that's where I'll be going on March 1st. Mark it on your calendars. That's when Wingus goes to basic boot camp. Anyway, on to the purpose of the new video. We have, like, a few pieces of electronics that don't work. They've already been replaced and they're just sitting there collecting dust. And I have access to plywood for easy cleanup and a sledgehammer. We all know where this is going. This channel has the name Mischief in it. You know it's gonna end up in something real good and really destructive. So, I'll meet you out there. Whoosh! Start recording. Alright, good. Hey guys, we're all outside now. Odds are that this is not going to be the most, this is not going to be the most quality-induced video that I've ever done, but it'll have to work. So let's get to smashing. Alright. We have a coffee pot. I'm really hoping you can hear me. Or this. Woo! Did I say don't do this at home? I probably say don't do this at home. Woo! Oh, that was good. Oh, that felt oh so nice. On the metal. Chunks and stuff are all over the place. There's a piece over there. Alright, Randy, this is the part of the video where you skip to me after I've collected all the bits and pieces, and then that's when you restart. Alright? Good, man? Alright. Actually, never mind. Just time-lapse this. And battery's running low. Oh, that's not good. This is this is the aftermath. Jesus. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I sure did. My laptop's about to die, so I need to make this quick. Stay safe. Don't do this at home. Wear your mask when you go outside, obviously. Yeah, that's about it. Bye.